Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we have two Matchbox sets. One is this old school one. I think this one is from the 90s, 98. But no, that's not right. Oh, it's down here. Oh no, it is from 98 with convertible sport cards. And then we have this Porsche set. This one's more recent, it's from 2000 last year. It says 2024, but I think this was released last year. Let's take a look at the OG first. And take a look at all these cards because I'm excited about this one. I think this one just opens from. Just open from the side. Just open it from the side one. Open it very well from the side. There we go. First one right here. Ooh, it's nice. This one's a 65 Camaro convertible. Obviously the old casting. I don't know if they made a new one. Then we have the Ford Mustang. Ford Mustang Cobra. Very nice interior. Look at that. Back when they used to make a decent steering wheel instead of the crap that they do today. Yeah, that one's even different. Let's turn the light. There we go. See? Although no details on the headlights or taillights. It's one of my favorite cars. The Chrysler Prowler, Plymouth Prowler. But this is the concept vehicle. Oh, there's that ugly steering wheel. Okay, no details, front or back. This is another one of my favorites. Dodge Viper, 90 something, or 10. A good looking steering wheel. And a decent looking interior too. No details. Again, this is part of the basic line. And Mercedes 500 SL. All of these have plastic bases, and this one the plastic comes all the way up to here. You can see the difference in green. Decent steering wheel and decent interior. Yeah, they all have plastic bases. Nevertheless, they're pretty cool models. And as you saw, that whole set was convertibles. We're gonna add another convertible. The Porsche 911 Carrera Cabriolet in green. And you'll see that hideous steering wheel that they do nowadays. Look at that. It's just disgusting. The interior is nice. Good design on the headlights and taillights. And you can see the Carrera. over there. And now, let's take a look at all this new Porsche set. And there's only one that's like an older model. Everything else is relatively new. On the top, another cabriolet. This is 911 Carrera, sorry. Cabriolet convertible. Steering wheel is decent still. They can do better. Lights. Then we have the 918 Spider. 918 Spider. One of my favorite cars. Beautiful model. That is a hybrid car, by the way. Then we have this one. Oh, that one says. Oh yeah, BW Porsche 914. Pretty good Diecasting. You can see that horrible steering wheel, chrome interior, Porsche on the side. Very few details. Have another 911 Targa, sorry. This is Porsche Targa. Porsche, sorry. Cute details front and back. And the best for last. Well, kind of. Just one more car. But the last on this 5-pack is Carrera 911 or 911 GT3. Oh, look at that. Good front and the back. It's just nothing. Absolutely nothing in it. Which is a shame. And the last model is another 911 Targa, but in red. And this one's from 2024, so I think it's for last year. In between this red and the blue, I don't know. Yes. I think I prefer the blue over there, so that's where we're gonna put that one right there. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. Some old 5-packs and new 5-packs. Let me know what you guys think, and as always, don't forget to like, subscribe. Until the next one. Bye.